guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm back with another video, and it is a tutorial. I know that I wore this look in one of my previous videos. I'm not sure if it was last week's one of last week's video, but it was requested to do a tutorial on it, and on my Instagram and my not Twitter, but my YouTube. So I decided to do a tutorial on it. It's a quick tutorial, nothing crazy. I hope you guys enjoy it. I enjoyed making the video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what other tutorials you would like me to do, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and prime our lids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I will be fast forwarding some of this tutorial so you guys can get an idea of what I'm doing. Alright. We're going to start with this eye. I will do one eye so you guys know how I do this tutorial. Then we're going to go in with the Thirsty palette in shade, this shade right here. Go with Glamour Doll brush into Preach. Okay. Just set our eye. Set that primer. Excuse my acne. Then we're going to start going into this one, which is, there we go. And then we're going to put this in the upper. We are just going to blend.
Thought this could happen. It's turned into more than attraction. Around you I see what we could be, living in the love contraption. Something inside of me changed. Don't know which road I should take. So many to choose. One thing is true, they all lead back to you. And now I see the light. Why can't I get it right? The message is clear, the signs are all here. I still don't know how to choose. So take my hand, I'll understand. It all leads back to you.
Alright, so after we blended all of that color out, we're going to go into the Androgyny palette. We're going to go into this shade right here. It's going to be Charm. And we are going to put that in our outer corner right there. And I'm going to go in with a BH Cosmetic brush. This one. Just gonna go in there. And then we're going to go pat it in and then create that. Change to the JH brush. It's more of a blender brush. We're gonna go with this one to like blend all of this. To continue blending, I went ahead and added a little bit more of the yellow to blend. And then we're going to cut the crease.
And now I see the light. Why can't I get it right? The message is clear, the signs are all here, still.
Alright, and now we're going to go into cutting the crease with my concealer, the Makeup Revolution concealer. 5 and cut the crease, so, and I will fast forward this too.
I see the light. Why can't I get it right? The message is clear, the signs are all here, but still don't know how to choose. So take my hand, I'll understand it all leads back to you.
Alright, now that we cut the crease, we're going to go into this color in where we cut the crease. And I always go in with my finger because these apply better with your finger. So, sorry if you can't see it. Alright, now we're going to go back into that orange shade and buff out that the edges. I'm going to go back in there so it doesn't look too crazy. Gotta be careful with that glitter because or shimmer, it does get everywhere, but that is one of my favorite colors. So and this is why I do my eyes first before I do my base, because of the fallout that we have going on right here. It's fine, I don't care. But yes. Alright, so that is how I do the cut crease, the yellow and orange cut crease. I will go ahead and finish the rest off camera and I'll be back. Alright guys, as you can see, I have finished my makeup off camera. I know it was a quick tutorial, but that is how I created this look, and I will be linking all the products that I used down below. But a quick recap of the palettes that I used and the colors that I used in the palettes are, to start out, I went in with the Thirsty palette. I went in with this color right here. Then I went into the yellow color, and in the crease I used this color. So as you know, I don't pronounce the name of the colors because I'm terrible at the names, and yeah, so we're not even going to try. And then for the rest of the eye, I used the Androgyny palette. I used this color, and then to find that that in-between shade between, like, the transition between the shimmer shade and the orange, I used this shade right here. And then for my inner corner, I used that shade, and then my brow bone. So these are the two palettes I use to cut the crease. I use my concealer, and then I used the Morphe E35 brush to cut the crease. And then I just did liner, which I used the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid eyeliner. I just used it in my... I just used it for my not my waterline, my eyeliner, so that I can place the lashes. I used the LILLY lashes in Miami. You guys know I already use that a lot. And then for my waterline, I used the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil Liner. This one in the shade White. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Cashmere White is what it's called. But that is all, you guys. My base is the same thing. Highlighters, RODEO Drive from OFRA. But that's it. Lips. Liner is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's Underground. I used this one, and then I used the Jeffree Star and MANNY MUA collab in the shade Daddy. So that is my short tutorial on this look. I'm gonna just call it like yellow orange cut crease tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And I hope you have a wonderful Monday. And thank you so much for your support. And I love you all. Bye, guys. Over it. I'm falling asleep. I will be alright, so after we've blended all of that out, we are going to go into the lip liner is from Gerard Cosmetics. I don't remember what I used. Oh. And the lip liner